Jaguar XE 2015 insurance write-off. So on the pictures it showed damage on these two doors, which already raised me the suspicions about why would insurance write off 2015 car just for two doors. So going through the bodywork, right, we started with roof. So we have 120 to 130, so we assume this one 142 up to 150 microns, you know. You can always double check the doors. 199 doors, just to get an idea. 80 on the inner sides. What would be the A pillar, the pillar readings. So going through 180, respray, 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 right? So we got respray, respray, repair, repair, respray, 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 repair, repair. So going further, so I went through obviously quickly, so otherwise the video would be like an hour long. As you noticed, the rivet is missing. So repair, sun is shining, repair, 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 repair. See, the microns are reading. Obviously I'm expecting over this area around to be 80 microns, right? 148, 90, so that's what I'm expecting to be in those areas. So it's around here, as you see, 40, as it's aluminium around here. So looking on a D pillar, repair, repair. So obviously we have a cut here, and we have a somewhere cut for the quarter panel replacement. It's gonna be over here somewhere. Yep, as you can see, the thickness drastically changing. So obviously reason why this vehicle's been written off, because it had accident damage repairs done on this side, where the gaps I found are good. So it's been done to them, so I'll say satisfactory standard, right? So as these doors now been replaced, and a whole this side being resprayed. So on the pictures it's just showing this. So also it's got a quarter panel repairs on this side. Not sure whether in the same time or in the past. So as you can see, excessive filler used in some areas to repair the quarter, and there are a few imperfections, but as well everything is visible. So the 500 micron readings, a few areas got filler, as you can see, 500. So same as on this side, 280, right? Everything's around about 300. Some minor repairs on both doors. And regards to this wing, it had a quite good respray, few imperfections visible. So that wing roof and left side haven't been resprayed. So that is insurance write-off so far. It is quite a sensible car with a good Jaguar service history up to 2022. As you watching this video you can see, so it's not always, this is why we don't recommend insurance write-off, there's always something to it. However, this is quite sensible so far. It's been replied to satisfactory standard, and it's I will go over the rest of the things. I'm just done the bodywork, battery test, and go through the rest of the diagnostic scans. 3 seat belt buckles being replaced, front 2 and rear passenger left. Yeah, we'll go through it.